That's turning the volume up. There's 3 volume notches. You make that a little brighter. That's without any light at all. And that's off. And it does project. It's not very dark in here, so you can't see it very well. But it does project on the ceiling. And when it's dark in the room, it is really, really neat. It's basically projecting what's the background behind the birds. So you got the sun and the moon and the stars. And it sings for about 10 minutes before it shuts off. Which is nice, because a lot of other soothers only last for about 4 minutes. Or 7 minutes, like the Fisher-Price Rainforest. And there's the little notches on the back. Now the front this part becomes dimmer when you have it lit up here. You can change it. See, that's volume. There. It gets brighter here, but you lose the projector part. And you do have music change. There's 2, 3. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's kind of like waves. This one is waves with birds chirping. I think we're back at the beginning. Yeah. And that is about it. Let me turn the light on. And there it is.